Hi Dresser Cuties! Today we're going to draw a unicorn dream catcher. So let's get started. To draw this dream catcher, we're going to first start by drawing a bunch of flowers for the top. So I'll just start right in the center with my biggest flower. And I'm just going to make a very simple flower. Just a circle and a bunch of petals. So this is going to be my biggest one right in the center. So you can draw whatever kind of flowers you like. This is just lots simpler. Oops, and one more. There, so I have my center flower in. Now I'm going to start to build flowers that go around on the circle. So the easiest way to do that is I'm just going to come right next to it, about right here, and draw another circle. So I'm just aiming to come down. So once again, I'll just change it up a little bit with a different kind of flower. Maybe something like that. And so to make it a little bit easier, let's just do the same thing on the other side. So find this circle that you started with, just kind of come across about right here, and that's where you want to put your other circle so that you're pretty even on both sides. And don't worry if it's not the same, it's not going to be, but you just want to kind of get this a circular formation with these flowers. Okay, so then let's come down. I'm going to draw more. So coming down, imagine it's a circle, so about right here. I'll add another one. Maybe more petals again. And so same thing on this side. So once again, it's coming down. So say about right here. Oops, I think I went a little too low. That's okay, so I'm just gonna stretch my petal. There, so it's touching. Okay, so then let's add one more, the last one. So once again, I'm still going at a curve. And let's add our smallest flower. Maybe just 4 petals. So one more over here. About right here. There. Okay, so I have my flowers in, and then now let's come to the center and we're going to draw a horn. So this is our center. We're going to go straight up, say about that much. I'll just give myself a point. And so this is going to be the top of my horn. I'm going to round it off and bring down an angle line on both sides. And you come in here with some curves to give our horn some dimension. And I'm just going to come in here and pop it out a little bit. There. Okay, so then now the ears, because it is a unicorn, so I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve in. And some details. So same thing right here. So just drag a point right across, about right there, and come back down. Okay, so now comes the part where we're going to have to draw a circle. So if you have a template, go ahead and use it. It's like an awkward size for me, so I'm just going to wing it because I'm too lazy to find something that will fit exactly. So I'm just going to come about right here, and I'll just slowly build my circle. Don't worry, it's not going to be perfect. Okay, so then let's come, just slowly makes it a little bit easier. And connect it. There, my wobbly circle. So definitely if you have a template you can use, go ahead and use it. Okay, so then I'm just going to come in here and follow my outside to give myself a little band. There, so I have my little band right there. And then now I'm going to draw all the little ribbons that come at the bottom. So I'm going to give these ribbons some flow just to make it look a little bit more magical. And so I'm going to start, you know what, I'm going to start about right here. So this is going to be my first ribbon. I'm going to pop it out a little bit. And then basically I'm just going to go ahead and wave it down and give it some flow. Just have fun with this part. There's no right or wrong way, just have fun and go with the flow, right? Just make it a little ribbon. And so basically I'm going to do the same thing and I'm just going to go all the way across to about here just to make it a little bit even. So there, I got my ribbons in, so hopefully this gives it some flow, and you can add all different colors when you're coloring it, and add sparkles, whatever you like to decorate it. And then let's add some details on this band right here. So I'm just gonna draw some curves to make it look like the ribbon's wrapping around it. And this side's gonna come down this way. There. Okay, so now I thought it'd be really cool if we wrote something in here inside this dream catcher. So I'm going to write dream big, but you can do whatever you like. So I'm just going to come in here, or you can just leave it empty and just draw the lines that go through it. But I thought it'd be pretty neat if I wrote dream right here. So I'm just going to come out right here and draw cursive at an angle. So hopefully this drawing really inspires you. Dream big. So I'm going to write B right here. And follow my same angle. I, G. And thicken this up. Okay, so I have the word dream big in there, and you can just come in here and just draw some lines as if there's color threads are going through it. Here and there, crisscross it. There's so many things you could do with this, right? Let's see here, what else can we do here? So I don't muddle it up too much. So there, hopefully this unicorn dream catcher inspires you to come up with your own. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.